So, what's the best video tripod for my mirrorless camera with a shotgun mic? Or what if I had a monitor? Clearly the answer is the Benro KH video kits. Let's see why. These tripods fold down tight, they got the height, and they can definitely handle the weight. They're both perfect for my Sony FX30 with a shotgun mic or an Atomos monitor. Sometimes I even take both for a 2-camera interview. They're perfectly lightweight to bring just about anywhere. The KH25 PC has retractable spike feet, while the KH26 PC has non-slip rubber feet that can be removed for dual spike feet. The head features fluid pan drag for smooth movements and operating. The updated blue camera plate has spring-loaded locating pins and scale for repeatable camera balancing on either kits. And the Benro S-Series heads, if you've already got one. They even work on that other brand's tripod heads. And it releases with a metal release knob, not plastic, so you'll be safely locked in for years to come. Classic twist locks get you right to where you need to be super fast. And the half bowl keeps your shots level and straight. The carry case is super minimal and light too. So when my kit is light, but my shoot is pro, I got my A camera on the KH26 PC and my B camera on the KH25 PC. It's a match made in heaven.